Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Teresa Swist and I'm a Research Fellow with the Young and Resilient Research Centre. I'd like to begin by exploring what is data ethics. Philosophers Floridi and Taddeo argue that data ethics is a new branch of ethics which builds upon the foundation of computer and information ethics. And what they propose is that the ethical challenges posed by data science can be mapped within the conceptual space delineated by three axes of research: the ethics of data, the ethics of algorithms, and the ethics of practices. And this means it's not just about bits of data, but also the new forces that algorithms bring into the ethics equation. And furthermore, data is not a given, it emerges in our research, disciplinary, and organisational practices. And data ethics is changing rapidly. In an article about data ethics in a changing world, mathematician David Hand describes how the automation of measurement and data collection procedures, coupled with the development of vast capacity for data storage and the creation of highly sophisticated tools for analysing and processing data, often in real time, is radically changing the world in which we live. And this has prompted considerable debate, both philosophical and legal, about the right, legitimate and proper ways to use such data. And Hand highlights a number of key ethical issues for us to think about, such as pervasiveness. So data collection is everywhere and all around us. It's interconnected and dynamic. There's always ongoing real-time analysis, merging and combining of data, but it lacks context and there's unexpected purposes and risk of intrusiveness. And there's potential for misuse and many ownership issues. So in my own work, I've explored digital research ethics in relation to projects involving young people. And in our article, we begin by reflecting on the unintended consequences and limitations of particular ethical conventions in the context of digital research with young people. We then demonstrate how these played out in a case study of a participatory and industry-engaged project investigating the role of online campaigns for promoting the safety and well-being of young people. And the project highlights 4 key areas of complexity which are relevant to digital research ethics. Firstly, unknowability. Secondly, organisational gatekeepers. Thirdly, ethical contradictions. And fourthly, legacy mindsets. And our aim is to promote young people's agency in identifying and addressing dilemmas in the control and care of digital research with young people and not simply on or for them. So cultural and communication researchers Luka and Millette draw upon a feminist ethics of care to reframe big data and how Donna Haraway's notion of situated knowledges could work methodologically for social media research. And they propose the sooner we understand social media data, whether it's big, small, thick or lively, as a humanly constructed artefact shaped by power relationships and crafted according to certain values and standing points, the more we can realise that how these processes enable and shape our decisions about our methodology. They outline a series of questions that are provocations for our own research to understand the complexity of data, whether it be big, small, thick or lively. So in this talk, I hope to have highlighted how data ethics is a new branch of ethics and the ways in which data ethics is changing and raising a whole host of new ethical dilemmas. And what I found in research with colleagues is that we need to stay with the complexity and consider not only how ethics is, but how it could be different. And this attention to difference and situated knowledges is key to an ethics of care. The level of attention you pay to care, not just ethics control, should make you rethink not only what you study, who with or what, but especially how and why.